What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and if you own a Crown Victoria, chances are you probably own a set of aftermarket headlights like these. But it doesn't necessarily need to be a set of aftermarket headlights. Let's say, for example, you ordered a set of clear OEM style headlights. Well, then this video is just for you, because I'm willing to bet that you're having issues with the alignment, and I'll touch base with that in just a second. So, you know, your Vic's looking clean AF with them new lights. Then night falls. You know, you decide you want to show off the new glasses to the boys, and then you turn your lights on. They end up looking something like this. So we're gonna turn on the lights, and it's kind of hard to tell on camera. That's kind of help a little bit. They're pointing down a lot, and they're like cross-eyed. Not to worry, guys, your boy Mr. Random's got you covered. With the help of this right here, I'm gonna finally show you guys how to properly align the headlights on your Crown Vic. Now, believe me when I say, guys, your life will be a million times better with this tool. There is the part number. Now, this is a headlight adjuster wrench for Ford. You can find this in any Advanced Auto Parts, any Auto Zones. I happen to get this one on Amazon for $12. All right, guys, so right here are your Crown Vic headlight adjusting knobs. Now, the only ones actually responsible for adjusting your actual headlights is, the first one is this very top one right here. This one's responsible for adjusting the verticality, aka it makes the lighting go uppy or downy. Next one is the only one that's by itself, and it's that one down there, and it makes your lights go either left or right. As you can see, there's nothing else. It's just by itself. Now, on this top one right here, if you loosen it, your lights will actually go up. So when you loosen, your lights start going up. Just remember this black piece right here. You don't want this black piece to be spinning. If you see it spinning, that means that no adjustment is being made. You only want to worry about this metal piece right here. So this knob right here, loosen it to make your lights go up, or tighten it to make your lights go down. Now, on this one right here, loosen it to make your lights go to the right, and tighten it to make your lights go to the left. One thing you guys will need to keep in mind is that on your driver's side headlights, these right here, you want them facing ever so slightly to the right and down. And the reason for that, guys, is so you don't blind anybody on the oncoming lanes. And now that you guys know how to align your headlights, the only other thing to do is to find a level surface with preferably a wall directly in front of you. That way you can use the wall to gauge how far up or left or right or whatever you're doing with your headlights. Just so you guys have an idea of how to actually use the tool, you just insert it into that metal tab, and then in this case my lights are pointing way down, so I'm going to loosen it just like that, just like you would with a regular wrench. I'm just loosening it. But obviously you want to do this at night. To tighten it, you flip the tool, and then you tighten it. You notice how the black piece is not moving. You just want that metal piece to move. And that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Now, I gotta get my ass home before the coyotes eat me, because I'm literally in the middle of the country. I'm going to turn the camera around, and I want you guys to see. I need to get my ass home before I get eaten alive. I don't know if you guys can see anything, just nothing but country. But hey, at least I can actually see compared to when I made the trip out here. Now, that was what I call nerve-wracking, man. Either way, I'll catch you guys in the next Crown Victoria video. Take it easy. Is that a coyote?